Alright, so I'm in here just editing. It's very peaceful. You can hear the waves, listen. I love it. Good morning. It's like 6 a.m. It's sunrise. It's time to check out where we woke up this morning. Oh yeah, that's gorgeous. Good morning, world. Alright, so I'm pretty stoked because this is like gorgeous sunset. Oh, it looks like shit on the camera, but it's really nice, I swear. And we have a really cool spot, and I'm pretty much just gonna try to sleep here tonight. And we're like right on the water. But I talked to this dude John over here who's selling wood. Says he's been here for about a month. And I guess the cops came once, but apparently this is private property, so the guy who owned the land told the cops said they have to go, and that he's fine. And the people that are camping over there too, so we'll see. I'm not really going to disclose where this is, just out of respect, but it's not hard to find. But yeah, so hopefully no one bothers me tonight, and I'll let you know how it goes in the morning.